that rabbit down in that little swamp part right there. Real windy today. Red was running one by itself, come back all bloody. That's Fella. That's Firecracker. That's Red. That's Red. He was on the other side over there running one. He went into a check and heard these dogs and he came back over. Sound like they're trying to cross the power line. But they right there them rocks at. They're running a Bluetail. I seen the rabbit. Yeah, he's still in this block. I seen him through that little path right through there. I hear some noise, man. Heard some noise up this way. I think that rabbit done snuck back up here. But the dog's coming back. Little rabbit was getting it, man. There you go. That's that noise I heard. Probably that rabbit. There you go. 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 Little Bluetail. Come right through here. Here come the dog. The ball. Your ball. Ball. Take it, boss. Take it. Get the line right, boss. What are you doing, man? Red got it. Look at Red. Red got it. Red got it. Red got it. That's that turbo dog. That's that turbo dog. That's that turbo dog. Red, that turbo dog. He ain't no joke. Watch Red get him up there. He went up that way, but I didn't see which way he went. That's one thing about a Bluetail, he just runs circles in here. Must not be put, he was putting a lot of scent out. That's the second time I've seen it. I'm running 5 males. He didn't try to trick him out. He didn't trick him out. That Bluetail slick, man. He probably went up there, turned around and went back over there. They jumped him over there. Y'all need to find that rabbit, man. Look how bloody that dog is. His blood, that's Firecracker. Stick. They got him. I know it came up this hill right here. Look at that wind, man. Red got him. I know it came up this hill. They came back. They didn't come high enough. I think they got him again. He's gonna make that circle. Everybody gotta get to him. There go the rabbit. There go the rabbit. Just seen it. Just seen the rabbit. Just seen the rabbit. Just seen it. There you go. Yeah, just seen him cut right through there. The dog's got it. Just seen him. See? See the dog? Wide open. Just seen him cut through there. Yeah. Just seen him. Yeah. That Bluetail slick, man. That Bluetail slick. Can't get down there, so I'm gonna go back the other way where I was at earlier. Yeah, he's going back. Boy, it's thick in here. This is where the rabbits are. He went down that bottom. Hit them briars. This is where I seen him twice at. He's going on up towards the hill where I drove in at. Oh, Bluetail decided to take him on a run. He had tricked him out though. Sound like he in them hardwoods. He making a swing to the left. He did all his little tricks down here. He couldn't fool him, so that's what a Bluetail do. That's what a Bluetail do here. Do all his little tricks. He can't lose him, then he'll take him on a run like they may be running a deer or something. They went into a long checkup there. I cut it off. I hear the bells. They barked a couple times, but he done did something. They ain't never got him right. Never got back on him. I hear bells. They may be coming back. He might have found some way to go, but I'm gonna cut it back off till they either get it or they done lost it. No, I hear a dog barking. I think they got him. They got him. They got him. I thought they had him. That rabbit coming back. Yeah, here he come. He coming back. Yeah, they got him. But he way in front of him though. I'm gonna cut it off because they ain't got him good yet. I'll cut it back on when they get him good. Cutting it back on. The rabbit done tricked him out. The Bluetail's a trick. He nothing but a trick, man. I hear the bells coming back. A few barks here and there, but they never